Hey there! Welcome to our blockchain series. Today we're diving into Merkle trees, basically the security backbone that keeps blockchain data safe and verified. Now this might sound complex, but I promise we'll break it down into simple, practical terms that actually make sense. Now that we understand what a Merkle tree is, let's look at how it's actually structured. Picture an upside-down tree where the leaves at the bottom contain hashes of your actual data. Here's the clever part. Each parent node combines the hashes from its two children below it. This process continues up the tree until we reach a single root hash at the very top, which represents everything below. Now that we understand the basic structure, let's see how hash verification actually works. Here's the beautiful thing about Merkle trees. If anyone tries to tamper with even a single piece of data, the entire path to the root changes. Let me show you exactly how this works. When data block gets modified, its hash changes completely. This forces the parent hash to recalculate, which then changes its parent hash to recalculate, which then changes its parent, creating a cascading effect all the way up to the root. This makes any tampering immediately detectable by simply comparing the root hash. Now that we understand how Merkle trees work, let's see them in action. Bitcoin uses Merkle trees brilliantly. Instead of downloading every single transaction to verify a payment, you only need the root hash and a few branch hashes. This makes blockchain validation incredibly efficient. But here's the thing, Merkle trees aren't just for cryptocurrency. Git uses them for version control, databases use them for integrity checks, and distributed file systems rely on them for efficient synchronization. So there you have it. Merkle trees use hash functions and tree structures to make data verification incredibly efficient. They're the security backbone of blockchain technology. Now you understand one of cryptography's most elegant solutions, you're building real expertise.